Okay, so this is a practical session on how to file. So for most of us that are already onboarded on TaxPro Max, um, you need to file every month. Either you are paying VAT or you're not paying VAT. You need to file new. It's very, very important because as I explained in one of those session of filing and penalties, the key thing the tax man wants you to do is file. Filing does not mean that you are paying tax. Filing just that you are being compliant. So every month before the 21st of the next month, you have to file new. For those of us that are not under the VAT brackets, but you need to file. Filing is very important. You might not be in the bracket, but you need to file new. But if you file new, you are being tax compliant, and failure to not file, it means that you are going to be paying penalties. And late penalty for the first month is 50,000. So for the subsequent month, are 25,000. So you can imagine at the end of the period, you might even be paying more penalties and late penalties for than amount you are supposed to be paying for normal filing of normal tax. So you just have to learn how to file yourself. So the first thing, if you want to file and you're already onboarded on TaxPro Max, you come here, you log in. Okay, so you log in your details. There's loading network. Okay, so this is how the home page of the TaxPro Max look like. So we have the tax due. This one will show you how the table of how to line up your taxes. So you can check your tax wallets. Once you are completed an assessment, you can check it here. Your ledger shows you how much you are owing. If you are owing government, it show you negative. If government is owing you, it will be positive. So you can process your tax clearance certificate from here. You can put your documents here, and if you have some assets you want to upload, you can upload it here. So but the major thing for us, based on what we are doing now, you just go to your tax due. So you can see that for 225, that's already pre-input CIT. But this person is there yet to file. But for process of filing, you have to do an audited statement of account of your business before you can file. So let's just go to how to file new. So we'll be filing for December. So this is the VAT, you can see 2025, 12. That is for December. And according to the law, it's due 2020. So before the 25th, 25th, 21st of the next month, you must have filed for December. So we go to process. Let me go back so you can see what I've done. You just click on process. So once it will take you to this page, click on sales schedule. Then you click on NGN, that is the Naira. Then you proceed. Then you proceed again. Click on proceed again. Then you proceed. Click proceed to. To now bring it to this page. So you just go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. So you now click on this, click here. Then you are filing for zero. The amount you are paying is zero. Then you submit. So it will now show you that your process was successful. That means you've filed for this month. You are done for this. You've done your filing for this for the month. So that's how to file. Very simple. It's very straightforward. So you just go back to home. You see that has reduced from tax due to two. Before it was three. So this one two is pending. Let's go ahead and can process it. Process as new. Come here. Click on Nigeria, NGN, proceed, 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 proceed. You go down, you click declare, then submit. So if you go back now, you've already filed. So the only thing that is due here is just the CIT, which has not been done yet. So we need to, before we can file the CIT, you have to do an audited statement. So these are how to file for to file new on TaxPro Max. So the first step is for you to be on TaxPro Max. Like I mentioned during the training, I'll be working with a lot of you on how to get onboarded on TaxPro Max. I'll need some of the documents. Once you have those documents, we'll proceed to a tax station to get registered. Then they will give you a login. And once you have a login, you start filing new. It's very, very important for you to file new and you don't miss any month that is not accrue penalties. So you can just set it as a reminder, probably on your business calendar. So annually, you have to file CIT, corporate income tax. If you are a limited company, so you have to file. But if you are a business name, you file your audited statement, not that because you want to pay CIT, but you just need to file and upload on the system for the tax plan. So for those of us that are above 100 million, um, that you won't be filing new. That means you'll be filing based on your sales transactions. So this is a separate training. So there's some technicalities in terms of how you impute your. Let me just take us through for knowledge sake. Okay, I don't have it here. So I have to log out and open another account. Mm, Okay, so this is another business. So this person has not filed seven taxes. They filed four out of the seven. They filed this, filed this, filed this, filed this. So two are pending. So three are pending. The three that are pending are CIT, the VAT for December, and the VAT for January that are pending. So and as you can see, if you go to back to the home page, they filed but they've not paid. So they are owing the government 435,000. They filed but they've not paid. So this person is above 100 million. So they are expected to they won't be filing new. They'll be filing based on their sales data. So let me just show you for those that will be making revenue of above 100 million on their VAT. So what the first thing you come here, click on sales. So you click here. So there's a schedule. Let me show you the shares. I think maybe it's open here. Okay, okay, now yeah. Okay, this is how the schedule is. Just a template by the FRS. So you input all your sales there, their TIN, their item, the cost, that is the amount of on the invoices for for zero rated item you put zero, for tax exempt you put one and two. So these are the schedule, these are how the schedule work. You upload the schedule here, and once you upload the schedule, I can't do it because the live account. Once you upload, you proceed, it will pick all those figures on the schedule and to calculate your VAT that you're paying on them. So but like I mentioned, those are over that are above 100 million. We have a separate section on how to file your sales or at the end of at the end of every month. So that is the end of how to file your taxes, filing name on TaxPro Max. Thank you.